Hi everyone, it's Mira here, your Haitian-Canadian girl living abroad. And today I'm taking you inside one of the most unique cafes in Vietnam, a Koi Fish Café. Let's see if it's really worth the hype. Come inside with me. Walking in, the first thing I notice is the sound of the water and the koi fish everywhere. Bright orange, yellow, and white. The water running behind was so therapeutic, guys. Just even before sitting down, I was already flabbergasted. The cafe is designed with ponds all around the table, so the fish literally swim beside you while you hang out. It feels so peaceful and honestly a little surreal. And if you love fishes, then you get to have a closer look to them. When we sat down, the first served us a traditional Vietnamese tea. Okay, guys, this tea, somebody needs to tell me in the comments what is the name of this tea, because all of the restaurants that I've been to, well, almost all of them, and all of the cafes that I've been to, they serve us this tea for free, and it's so good and refreshing. And yeah, so if you know what the name of the tea is, let me know. After that, we looked through the menu and placed our order. The first thing to come was the soursop smoothie. Guys, I love soursop. Not only for the taste, but it is one of the most packed up fruits ever. Like, it has so many benefits for your health, and not only does it taste good, it feels good when you drink it, guys. So definitely, if you haven't tried a soursop smoothie, you're definitely missing out on life. So yeah, so other than the soursop smoothie being fresh and really good, we then received our meal and we decided to go with the fish balls and vermicelli noodles. Okay, guys, honestly, the food was okay, but it wasn't good, it wasn't bad, and it wasn't amazing either. Like, it's not something that I would take again if I come back. The smoothie was definitely the star of the meal for me. To like chill and drink nice smoothies and stuff, I would definitely recommend here. But when it comes to food, I would have to come back and try the other options. But if I were to come back and have to try this meal, I would probably not. And this is what I really love about living abroad. Back in Canada, cafes are usually cozy or aesthetic, but here in Vietnam, they're so creative and playful. Even if the food isn't perfect, this experience is something you will not forget. Little gems like this remind me why I took this leap of faith, guys. Slowing down, trying new things, and finding joy in everyday life. Another cool experience that I had at this cafe is being able to feed the fish. So in order to feed the fish, you had to pay like 10,000 dongs. I know for some people they would expect the feeding to be included in the meal, but it wasn't. Again, to each their own. And obviously like 10,000 dong is not that much. So yeah, so it was a really cool experience. I enjoyed it. And I was a little bit scared at first because, you know, guys, I don't trust animals, but anyhow, it was really nice. Like, it was really cool to see how like the fishes were like fighting each other to get the food and just the ecosystem of life, guys. Anyways, so let me know if you guys would try a Koi Fish Cafe. I think it's one of those places you just have to experience at least once. Okay, so if you enjoy this, make sure to hit subscribe. I've got more unique cafes, apartment tours, and expat life videos coming up. And my next video, you really don't want to miss it. So please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye.